gas pedal over to the brake, there's a little bit of a fraction of a second that can make a big difference sometimes. But anyway, we don't have a stop sign here, so we can keep on rolling. Make sure you look up and look where you want to go, right down the road, all the way down. Where you look is where you're going to start steering. In other words, if you look at the side of the road, you're going to start drifting, right? So you look way down the road.
You want me to go straight?
Yeah, yeah, and just assume we're going straight unless I ask for a left or a right. That way you won't be sitting there wondering where does he want me to go. Same with the on the road test, they'll do the same thing. That's good. Off the brake and back on the gas, just to pull the car out of the corner. That's it, and push the gas. We're going to go into the college actually. I'm going to start with a small, just a short exercise, a braking exercise with you. So all we're doing is we're just going to go straight across that intersection at the lights. Just go around the parked vehicles about a door length or so not too far to the left. This is good right here. And to go straight at this intersection, you're getting into the proper lane, which is this one. See that big white line? That's your legal stop line. As soon as it disappears from your view, you stop right here. That there now, the nose of your vehicle, but you can't see the front bumper right now. It's right at the line. You stop just as soon as it disappeared from your view under the dashboard, right at the bottom of the windshield. Awesome. I'm going to follow the center yellow line over to the left. And signal left. There you go. Good speed for the speed bumps. We're using the speed bumps here for the exercise, which is the braking exercise. Essentially, it's just getting you used to the pressure you need to apply to the brake without pressing too hard or too soft. So start pressing the brake now. A little bit more, a little bit more. You want to let the front tires just roll slightly over, and the back tires just pretend you're driving an ambulance and you just pick somebody up who has a broken back.